Welcome to Linux Help, how to use pass arguments on Bash script in Oracle Linux 9.4. Today, we will explore one of the most significant features of Bash scripting, passing arguments. Regardless of your experience level, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will learn how to customize scripts by incorporating variables, file names, and other elements. Let us begin our exploration of Bash scripting. Check the OS version. Create the script file. Here we mentioned first argument and second argument come after the script file. Our script file considered as zeroth argument. Change the permission into executable. Run the script. Working fine. Here we mentioned one argument only. You can test second argument also. Create the another script. Here we declared, if $1 is mentioned after the script, show something include with first argument. Otherwise show another thing. Change the permissions. Run the script. Run the script with first argument. Create the new script file. Here we mentioned, first own, show the all arguments and, the second one tell how many arguments are there. Change the permission and run the script. Working. Create the another one file. Here we tell, if file exists in the location, then view the content, otherwise show invalid file path. Change the permission and run the script. Invalid file path. No file is their named file. Run the script after creating the file. And stored the content. Working fine. These are some examples of passing arguments in Bash scripting. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.